what is going on. Today I am doing a product review for Segway Ninebot Mini Pro 1 human transport. I've been riding this one for roughly about 1 week and I am loving it. The performance, power, the speed is just a perfect balance. The top speed is 20, however the acceleration is very fast. And the range is 30 kilometers, and I've been riding it several days. It's pretty good. It's using the high-speed tire. Just the overall design make it a very nice human transporter, self-balanced. And one thing I especially love is this stick here. You can hold it up. In area where you cannot ride, you can just let it go like a dolly. Here in Taiwan, when you go on the subway system, the high-speed train, they will ask you to dismount. In my opinion, you don't have to, because in Canada, you can just ride on the train. There was no issue. But here, they will ask you to get off. So this becomes very helpful. You can just walk along. And for the self-balanced transporter, I really recommend adding a kickstand. Here I can put it down, and when I power down, so it will just stand by itself. So that's a very important upgrade for any self-balanced transporter. It's important to have this. And this piece here is very important for blocking the rain. Because in a rainy day when you ride this, you don't want the water to come up on you. Rain guard, yeah, it's called rain guard. And I ride this in comparison with Mini Pro 2. I feel the range on this is better. And I also have the S Plus model, and I can say that the range is similar. With S Max, that one is the most powerful, but it's much bigger, much heavier. So for this small size that gets the long range, it's very awesome. So now I'm just gonna ride around and you can see this thing in action. The control is very smooth. Uphill, downhill, everything is all good, no problem. So you can see when you ride on real road, going to a real store, buying drinks, picking up lunchbox. This is very convenient for any kind of short range travel. Even when today is crazy, super windy, the wind right now is very strong. It is still very capable. Riding this in a giant wind. This wind is crazy, but first time buying this thing, you want to have some good practice. Especially in the beginning, you really need some wrist guard, some knee protection and helmet. But because I have a lot of experience already, I've been riding self-balance transporter for more than a year now. So I pretty much know all the dangerous situations and avoid it. So it's very difficult for me to fall. Like I probably had serious fall for about 8 times. So I know all the dangerous situations to avoid. And now it's green light, let's go. So I use this going to all the store, no problem, never issue. You just have to become good and you know how to avoid all the dangerous situation. Then this is a perfect tool for going around within the 3 to 5 kilometer distance range. But I usually ride on the walkway. If it's in small alley, no car, I get on the road, like no problem, no issue. So anyway, this is a quick and dirty short review on the Segway Ninebot Mini Pro 1. This is I think this is an Asian model. In North America, you cannot find it. I'm not sure about in Europe, but anyone consider this is a very good choice. I highly recommend, especially against Mini Pro 2, the newer model with Bluetooth audio and also the intelligent tutor support. This is still a very good purchase and the price is better. I got this through Shopee for like 90,000 Taiwan dollar, which is not bad. It's affordable in comparison with Mini Pro 2. So that's it for the review. This is a 5-star self-balance transporter. I highly recommend anyone to get this. That's it for now. We'll talk later. Bye.